What elements are needed to make the lower part of the articulator move laterally on the left or right side? In the conventional method, the movement of the mandible, i.e., the state of movement and rotation of the left and right condyle heads of the mandible, is measured by a pantograph. The measured information was then transferred to the articulator and replaced by the movement of the mandibular portion of the articulator. Indirectly by the articulator, the dental model undergoes a compound movement of translation and rotation. The relative position of the upper and lower dentition is shifted three-dimensionally from the centric occlusion, which means that lateral and anterior movement is possible. In other words, the mandibular momentum is collected to provide data, which is then used to reconstruct the articulator in the CAD to motion the mandibular model. The pantograph method is characterized by the fact that the left and right condylar and other kinematic components are broken down and recorded when data is acquired. The left figure shows the mandibular head in the centric relation. The right figure shows the mandible in anterior movement. The left and right mandibular heads move almost equally anteriorly. The figure on the left shows the mandible in lateral movement on the right side. The left mandibular head moves anteriorly inferiorly medial. The right mandibular head moves from C to CW. The figure on the right shows the mandible in lateral movement on the left side. The right mandibular head moves anteriorly inferiorly medial. The left mandibular head moves from C to CW. This figure shows a mechanical pantograph drawing board. In the old mechanical pantograph method, the three-dimensional motion of the mandible is broken down into its components. The drawing plates of the motion paths are then manually synthesized to reproduce the motion paths of the condylar spheres of the articulator. I doubt that it can be accurately synthesized since it does not utilize any kind of synchronization pulses to synthesize the decomposed data, such as timing pulses. Recently developed equipment is electronic and probably uses some kind of timing pulse for synthesis. The pantograph method has an indirect access method to the data of interest, and many indirect reproduction elements must be obtained and transformed. Motion data such as the condylar area and other indirect component-related elements are extracted for mandibular motion and reconstructed on the articulator.